You want to be rich? Everybody wants to be rich. But let me tell you something. Most people wouldn't know wealth if it hit them in the face. They think it's about luck, about being born with a silver spoon. Wrong. It's about mindset. It's about taking control and making your money work for you, not the other way around. I'm going to break down the 10 powerful assets that can catapult you to wealth in the next 5 years. Forget the lottery. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. So, are you ready to stop dreaming and start doing? Hit that like button and subscribe to the Wealth Code because we're about to unlock the vault to your financial future. Let's go! First up, we're talking stocks. But hold on, I'm not talking about gambling your hard-earned cash on some meme stock you saw on Reddit. I'm talking about strategic, calculated investments in index funds and blue-chip stocks. These are the heavy hitters, the companies that have stood the test of time. The Apples, the Microsofts, the Teslas of the world. The stock market has a history of outperforming almost every other asset class. Think about it. The S&P 500 has averaged a 10% annual growth over the last century. That's the power of compound interest, my friends. Invest consistently, stay the course, and watch your wealth multiply year after year. Now, if you're just starting out, index funds like VOO and VTI are your best bet. They offer diversification and long-term growth potential without needing to be a Wall Street whiz. But if you're ready to level up, research and invest in individual blue-chip stocks. Take action, educate yourself, and watch your portfolio soar. Let's talk about real estate, the granddaddy of wealth building. They don't make more land, folks, and over time, its value just keeps going up. Plus, rental properties, that's passive income coming in every single month, even while you sleep. Now you might be thinking, Coach, I don't have millions lying around to buy a skyscraper. Listen, you don't need a fortune to get started. House hacking is a fantastic option for beginners. Buy a duplex or a multifamily home, live in one unit and rent out the others. Boom! You're living rent-free and building equity at the same time. Don't want the hassle of being a landlord? No problem. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, allow you to invest in real estate without the headaches of property management. Real estate is a tangible asset, something you can see and touch and build upon. So, start small, think big, and watch your real estate empire grow. Now let's talk about the future of finance, the game changer, cryptocurrency. Yes, it's volatile, yes, it's a wild ride, but over the past decade, crypto has outperformed every other asset class on the planet. Bitcoin and Ethereum, these are the heavyweights, the foundations of the crypto world. They've already made fortunes for early adopters, and their long-term potential remains strong. But don't sleep on the newer projects, the Solanas, the Chainlinks. These are the disruptors, the innovators with the potential for massive growth. Do your research, understand the technology, the team, the vision behind each project. Invest wisely, diversify your portfolio, and think long-term. So buckle up, stay informed, and get ready for the ride of your financial life. The internet has leveled the playing field. No longer do you need a fancy office or a huge investment to start your own business. With an online business, your potential is limitless. Drop shipping, affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTube, the possibilities are endless. These businesses offer some of the highest profit margins out there. And the best part? Once they're set up, they can generate passive income while you sleep. But it's not magic. It takes work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Find your niche, build a strong brand, and create valuable content that attracts your target audience. The internet is your oyster, my friends, and the only limit is your imagination. Now let's talk about getting paid to own dividend stocks. These aren't your average stocks, my friends. Not only do they appreciate in value over time, but they also pay you a portion of their profits every quarter. It's like getting a bonus just for being a shareholder. Reinvest those dividends and watch the magic of compound interest work its wonders. Over time, those small payments can add up to a significant source of passive income. It's like planting a money tree that keeps bearing fruit year after year. Now, not all dividend stocks are created equal. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and a solid track record of growth. Target industries that are essential and resilient. even in economic downturns. So, do your research, choose wisely, and watch your portfolio grow while you enjoy the sweet rewards of ownership. Look, I love a good adrenaline rush as much as the next person, but when it comes to your hard-earned money, sometimes you need to play it smart, play it safe. That's where high-yield savings accounts and treasury bonds come in. They might not be the sexiest investments, but they're the bedrock of a sound financial plan. They protect your capital from the erosion of inflation while providing guaranteed returns. High-yield savings accounts offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow at a faster rate. Now, I'm not saying you should put all your eggs in these baskets, but having a portion of your portfolio in these safe havens can provide peace of mind and a solid foundation for your financial future. Precious metals, shielding your wealth through the ages. Gold and silver, these aren't just shiny trinkets, my friends. They're tangible assets that have been a store of value for centuries. Empires have risen and fallen, currencies have come and gone, but gold and silver have endured as symbols of wealth and stability. During times of economic uncertainty, when markets are crashing and paper currencies are losing value, gold prices tend to skyrocket. It's a safe haven asset, a hedge against inflation, and a way to preserve your purchasing power when the world feels like it's going crazy. Now, I'm not saying you need to go full-on doomsday prepper and bury your life savings in the backyard, but having a small allocation to precious metals in your portfolio can act as insurance against economic turmoil. Listen up, because this one is powerful. Intellectual property. This is about owning your creations, your ideas, your knowledge, and turning them into assets that can generate income for years to come. Write a book, create a digital course, compose a hit song, develop a groundbreaking software program. The possibilities are endless. Think about it. Every time someone buys your book, enrolls in your course, or licenses your music, you earn money. So, what are you passionate about? What knowledge do you have that others would pay for? Tap into your inner creator, develop your intellectual property, and watch as it generates wealth and impact long into the future. Want to be a part of the next big thing? Want to invest in the companies that are shaping the future? Then Startup Equity is your ticket to ride. Imagine getting in early on the next Tesla, the next Amazon, the next Google, before they became household names. Investing in startups is risky, yes, but the potential rewards are astronomical. Platforms like AngelList and Seed Invest have made it easier than ever for everyday investors to get in on the ground floor of high-growth companies. Do your due diligence. Research the companies, the founders, the market potential. Invest only what you can afford to lose, and be prepared for a wild ride. So, do your homework, trust your gut, and who knows, you might just become an early investor in the next unicorn. Now let's talk about the most important asset of all, the one that no one can ever take away from you, your skills and education. The greatest investment you'll ever make is in yourself. In today's rapidly changing world, knowledge is power, and those who are constantly learning, growing, and adapting are the ones who will thrive. Invest in your education, whether it's formal education, online courses, mentorships, or simply reading books and listening to podcasts. Develop high-income skills that are in high demand, skills like investing, coding, sales, marketing. The list goes on and on. Never stop learning, never stop growing, and watch as your earning potential skyrockets. There you have it, champions. 10 powerful assets that can transform your financial life and put you on the fast track to wealth creation. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards are more than worth it. So what are you waiting for? Take action today. Start investing in your future and watch as your wealth grows beyond your wildest dreams. Hit that like button, subscribe to the Wealth Code for more wealth building strategies, and let's crush it together.